was at an estate sale and I bought all these boxes of stuff, things here, old television, service manuals, radio service manuals, television transistor things, Philco, Bendix, Channel Master, Philco, RCA, Philco. This is here. The Westinghouse training manual, RCA. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Bought like 3 boxes. I'm not going to say how much I paid, but they're all, I'm trying to air them out because they got that musty stink, you know. But whole bunch of this stuff. Channel Master, transistor radio things. More radio stuff. This, I already transferred these into different boxes. They're all in cardboard boxes. Look at this, this is pretty cool here. Craig 4 tracks. Craig tape recorder. Craig reel-to-reel brochures. Craig, look at all these, a whole bunch of them. And the front and back, and then just gonna put these back in here. I wanted to blow a whole stack of stuff here. Let's see what else has got here. Down here we got a bunch of other stuff. Service manuals. Emerson television. That's Motorola television. Admiral television. Never even heard of that. Okay, alignment data, chassis stuff. Oh, look at that. It's another Bendix. That's kind of neat. Bendix television. Neat stuff. Try to sell this on the internet, but it's going to take forever because I got so much of it. Channel Master. This radio thing. Dodge. Push button radio. Bendix. Replacement guide for TV controls. Bendix automobile radios. Motorola stuff. Some of these aren't. Look at that. Oh. What? This one's never been opened. Whoa. Olympic division. Huh. Oh. Turntable thing, Olympic. Here's one that's never been opened. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Let's see what's in this one. Never been opened. changer service manual for the Olympic. That was exciting. Sansui. Oh, Sansui from the Sansui Electronics Corporation. Operating instructions for the Sansui model TR707TA amplifier. Sansui. So that's pretty cool. I got a whole bunch of envelopes here that have never been opened. Let's try this one. It's never been open. Let's check this one out. From the Lear-Siegler Olympic. Well, let's see what's in it. 1968 service bulletin. Olympic parts list for televisions. That's cool. Alright, I'll put that back. Cool. Okay, collection system. Papers. Oh, look at this. This is neat. Key parts maintenance manual. Service instructor. Western Chicago, Capehart, Farnsworth Corporation. That's Farnsworth was the inventor of the television. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Was I already in this box today? So that's cool. CBS Columbia. Service bulletin. That's boring. CBS portable service data. Model 5220. Understanding high fidelity. A guide to hi-fi home music systems. It's nothing. Westinghouse service training manual. How to service a television. You just go buy a new one. That's what you do. All right, that's cool for this stuff. Back in this one here. Craig. And then you got this Motorola Channel Master Sylvania Philco Service Businessman. Oh shit, I'm mixing them all up. Philco service technician. Philco automobile radio installation and service bulletin. More Philco stuff. Philco serviceman. This tube is dangerous. Use the used tube bracket. Philco high fidelity phonographs. Philco home radio. Dude on a Harley right there. Philco serviceman. Philco. This is neat stuff. It's a loud neighborhood today. Put that back. So anyway, that's cool. Cool stuff. Channel Master. Channel Master. Alright, that's cool stuff. From a garage sale. Estate sale. Just gotta air it out.